Hello and good day to each and every one of you. I am Sioco, and today I will be discussing our group activity featuring database applications. Creating this PowerPoint with me are my group members Julius Cadorna, Vladimer Del Pilar, Steff Dacpano, Rhenz Escanor, and Reimanoelle Napili. Our group agenda is divided into three parts. First, we will be discussing different database applications. Number two, we will be discussing the strengths and weaknesses of each. And finally, we compare and contrast each software. Now, without further ado, let us start. Our first database software is NAC. Now, NAC is an online database software application for you to collect and manage your data. NAC allows you to construct, connect, and extend your data without requiring coding. Now, NAC offers a database that is easy to use while also being fast and secure. This software offers intuitive designing tools for making your database without much effort in a user-friendly interface, kind of like how you use Wix to develop a website. NAC provides real-time insights via dashboards with pivot tables, charts, and graphs, and also features e-commerce features for you to process or manage payments via integration with PayPal. It also features the ability to share data via cloud storage, Zapier integration, and create custom workflows for data processing and automation. Lastly, NAC has a built-in backup service that allows you to mirror your database on multiple sites to avoid data loss. Now, here are the strengths and weaknesses of NAC database. Now, let's first start at the strengths. First is it has a secure user access for your users to manage their data, workflow, and automation, as stated before. It also allows people who can code to do and customize their database. So it's really perfect for beginners who doesn't know much about coding. Of course, it has user-friendly UI, which is also perfect for beginners. Easy to navigate features, allows integration as stated before, has customer support on different devices, a single platform to collect, manage, and audit your data, reports, and dashboards. And finally, real-time charts and formulas to report your data payment integrations. Now, at the weakness, we start by the first one. Features may also remain valid. For starters, this site offers a 13-day free trial for those who are deciding whether to use the app or not. Even if you choose a plan, which might cost a lot, whatever it is will always be limited yet integration valid. So NAC offers three types of plans with different kinds of features and prices. However, for you to think about what to use, you can always start the free trial if you really want to use NAC or not. Now, as for demos or tutorials, the NAC YouTube channel provides videos for that. However, resources for tutorials remain limited, especially for people who are not aware of applications like these. Errors could occur. The larger objects, fields, and data can sometimes perform slowly, like sending forms and updating the databases. And finally, limited CSS features tools for customization. Now, this is backed up by the fact that NAC offers you to NAC allows you to design or customize your database with your own CSS code. But if you don't know how to use CSS, then it's really limited, no? Now, this is an example of the database of the NAC software. As you can see in the first picture, as stated before, it has a user-friendly interface and it's also the same as Wix. Nakita natin dito sa pinakagilid, may nakalagay na form, table, search, list, calendar, no? And so, it's like a drag and drop system, kaya napakadali niya. And also, pwede mo ring ma-edit ang form mo, pwede mong baguhin ang user interface niya. And in the end, madali lang makokollect yung data dahil meron din tayong user roles and you can also create objects. For example, here sa ating example, yan, three kinds of names. Meron tayong name, email, password, user status, and user roles. These are completely customizable and it depends on what kind of data you want. No? Our second database is Oracle database. Oracle database is the first database designed for enterprise-grade computing, the most flexible and cost-effective way to manage information and applications. An Oracle database is a collection of data treated as a unit. The purpose of a database is to store and retrieve related information. A database server is the key to solving the problems of information management. In general, a server reliably manages a large amount of data in a multi-user environment so that many users can concurrently access the same data. All this is accomplished while delivering high performance. A database server also prevents unauthorized access and provides efficient solutions for failure recovery. Oracle database is the first database designed for enterprises-grade computing, the most flexible and cost-effective way to manage information and applications. Enterprise-grade computing creates large pools of industry-standard modular storage and servers. With this architecture, each new system can be rapidly provisioned from the pool of components. There's no need for peak workloads because capacity can be easily added or reallocated from the resource pools as needed. No? The database has logical structures and physical structures. Because the physical and logical structures are separate, the physical storage of data can be managed without affecting the access to logical storage structures. Now, with the strengths, first, high compatibility with all platforms and apps. Supports from all major softwares and hardware vendors. Different editions from free to enterprise level. Widely used in the IT sector. Optional use of Oracle Cloud Database for outsourcing and automation of database management. Most popular with relational database management system. Large developer community and high quality Oracle support. Robust security and privacy features. Example is strong authentication and authorization access and encryption of data and networks. Now with the weakness, extensive SQL knowledge and administrative experience in database management are a prerequisite for the local on-premises version of Oracle. Oracle licenses are expensive, no? Standard edition is approximately $17,000. Enterprise edition approximately $40,000. And lastly, high hardware requirements for local on-premises version. Kaya Oracle is considered for the huge companies. Kasi when you expect a huge company to have a database manager, siya yung may alam talaga sa coding, no? Now, unlike NAC is designed for small companies or maybe you just want to create your own data for yourself, no? Kaya user-friendly siya and requires no coding, while Oracle is meant for those who have experience coding, maraming alam sa coding, and so they use that mainly to create their database. Now, this is an example of the Oracle database. As you can see, para ka lang nagko-code dito, para lang nag-open ng NetBeans as a separate app. Then, dito na pupunta ang results. And also, like NAC, meron din siyang database home which displays the statistics of your database. Our last database software is TeamDesk. TeamDesk is an online database system that is developed to facilitate working with data, organize and store information that you use in your routine work. Database is a core of the TeamDesk system. No? Each databases looks like a set of linked spreadsheets and consists of series of tables or one table comprising records, rows, and columns. The system is fully customizable. You can differentiate a database for various user roles, creating a specific set of tables, forms, and reports for each group of users. Each object can be modified or built from scratch according to the specific needs of your organization. Now, for the strength, Team Desk is fully scalable and customizable. You need to invest in solutions that match your business workflow and not vice versa. Team Desk is fully customizable and flexible, which allows companies to create online databases that match their unique requirements and structure instead of having to tweak their business processes to fit the workflow of a ready-made product. Each Team Desk database includes only necessary options and features and is individually designed to fit your unique business process. Each system object can be built from scratch or modified as per your firm's specific requirements. Team Desk web-based databases are capable of evolving with your company and can scale up to future growth as needed. Next up, role-based user access. Team Desk allows you to share your database with others and assign each user or user group individual access levels to information. Custom roles can be created to store a unique set of permissions. You can assign appropriate roles to users to precisely control their access to any part of data and service. Supervise their permissions to do any kind of actions. Now, the weakness, first off, the user interface, though intuitive, could be made cleaner and less cluttered. Now, the difference between Team Desk and NAC is that NAC is perfect for beginners, user-friendly interface, no code requirement, and simple drag and drop. However, Team Desk is, let's say, kind of outdated. It doesn't really require coding, but it's not really that suitable for beginners. Maybe if may alam ka na sa components na kailangan mong gawin, how to start, how to finish, then maybe Team Desk can be good for you even if you don't know how to code. But for those beginners, ang user interface ng Team Desk is medyo nakakalito intindihin. Mahirap siya sa una, no? And next, Team Desk should increase the number of apps it can be integrated with to further expand its efficiency and use. Team Desk may not be the best option for users with very large or complex databases as it may not scale as well as some other database systems. Now, another weakness of Team Desk is that medyo limited lang din ang kanyang guides and tutorials, especially if you're looking for videos rather than sites that can help you with it. But nevertheless, it's still a good database software for also small enterprises. Now, this is an example of a Team Desk database. As you can see, parang kagaya lang siya ng NAC, no? However, hindi siya drag and drop, more like para din siyang coding pero not really requiring coding, no? Kagaya nito, nakikita natin, fully customizable, marami kang options na ilagay kung anong kind ng data ang kailangan mo. And also, kagaya lang din ng NAC database natin, madali lang din makita ang list. Fully customizable din siya, and you can update it, and you can also integrate a database from maybe you have a certain database that you want to insert here. Also, kagaya rin sa sa NAC, you can also do that, no? Now, for comparison, here is a table that includes all our three database softwares and the specific things that compares them, no? Now, first integration, yes, it allows for both NAC or for both NAC, Oracle, and Team Desk. No code requirement, only NAC and Team Desk has that kasi Oracle, as gaya nga nasabi ko kanina, it requires a heavy amount of coding. Now, security and privacy, yes, safe naman pong gamitin ng lahat. Flexibility, yes. Web platforming, yes, since available sila lahat sa web, although Oracle is mainly focused on being downloadable, kagaya nga nasabi ko, para siyang NetBeans na parang separate app siya. Hindi ka gagawa ng database or magko-code sa website, gagawin mo yun dun sa app na ida-download mo na may bayad, no? Now, training, yes, although limited sa Team Desk and NAC, still nagpo-provide pa rin sila for those who are just getting started, no? Now, free trial, yes, Team Desk and NAC offers a free trial, although Oracle is hindi, since gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, it's a software application talaga siya na dina-download, no? Backup and restore, yes, it's available for NAC, Oracle, and Team Desk. And finally, it's all three of them can support a relational database. Now, for contrast, nilista namin ang pinaka-common things that may distinct one from the other. First, on our top side is NAC. Now, NAC is being the most user-friendly UI out of the three, allows creating custom CSS, drag and drop elements, a limited yet free version. Oracle, out of the three, requires the use of programming in SQL language. Now, complexity, which paulit-ulit ng sinasabi kanina, downloadable application, and yung cost, since ayun nga, Oracle cost a lot, no? Limited, now for Team Desk, unlimited records and storage space with plan. Simple yet robust software that scales rapidly with growth. Despite continuous and rapid growth, customer issues with UI hold some things back. Gaya nga sabi ko kanina, it might be user-friendly, pero para dun sa mga magsa-start pa lang sa paggagawa ng database, the user interface can be really challenging to navigate. Now, NAC, Team Desk, and Oracle are all software products that can be used to store and manage data, but they have some key differences. Ito po yun, mga yun. Now, NAC is a cloud-based platform that allows users to create custom databases and applications without any coding. It is targeted at small and medium-sized businesses and offers a range of features such as integration with other software tools and mobile access. Team Desk is a web-based database system that is designed to be easy to use and customize. It offers a range of features such as data import, export, automation, and reporting, and is aimed at also small and medium-sized business. Finally, Oracle is a powerful and widely used database management system that can be used to store data and manage large amounts of structured data. It's known for its reliability, scalability, and security, and is used by many large organizations around the world. In general, NAC and Team Desk are more suited for small and medium-sized business that need an easy-to-use database solution, while Oracle is a more powerful and feature-rich option that is better suited for larger organizations with more complex data management needs. Now, finally, for our software recommendation, out of the three databases software that we have listed, we considered NAC to be the easiest to use. This is because of three advantages that hugely benefit beginners. Now, firstly, we considered the fact that for us students, for future database managers, it is better to start at a database software that is easy to navigate, no? Pag tumatagal, mas nag-upgrade yung knowledge mo about database, doon lang din mag-upgrade yung ability mo to navigate different kinds of database software. Now, we recommend NAC because it's perfect for those na magsa-start pa lang. Gaya nga nasabi ko kanina, it's like It's a drag and drop element kagaya lang ng Wix, and Wix is very easy to use to create your website, no? Now here are the key things that made us chose NAC database. Number one is easy to use. Madali lang siyang gamitin, napakabilis lang din, mabilis siyang mag-update. But kaya nga nasabi kanina, if you're planning to create a large database with large amounts of data, NAC is not really recommended to use. But for a small database, it's best to use NAC for us. No coding required kasi coding can really hold some things back, no? Now, along the way, you can still learn how to code like CSS, PHP, SQL. But syempre magsa-start ka pa rin sa like gaya ng ni-recommend namin. First, you start at something that is easy. Then along the way mag-upgrade yung knowledge mo, mag-upgrade din yung ability mo. No? So for that reason, NAC is the easiest to use. If kahit may alam kang konti sa code, we recommend you use NAC first. Next is ayun nga, fully customizable. It is cloud-based and actually mobile friendly. NAC is actually available for mobile phones, and you can also access your database and create one in an Android phone. So it's actually it gives a really huge advantage amongst the other two database softwares. And finally, integration with other tools. Gaya nga ng sabi dito, kahit madali lang siyang gawin, madali lang mag-insert ng data, it still offers you to insert data from other sources, no? So being flexible, being easy to use, and being dedicated for those na user-friendly. And finally, madali lang naman siya man-navigate. First off is, gaya nga ng sabi kanina, it offers a free trial, no? Now you can use that free trial, so you can think na, okay, gusto ko mang gamitin to, suited ba siya sa akin, kaya ko ba tong i-navigate along the way. Now ayun, since hindi naman din ganun ka expensive ang NAC, it is recommended for beginners, and also kahit limited lang ang tutorials and guides, as always, you can still learn along the way. And so for that will be all for our group. Again, this is Ron Matthew Sioco, and thank you for listening.